Essential habits of self-taught developers. Becoming a self-taught developer is a journey marked by resilience, curiosity, and relentless effort. It is a path that requires dedication and the courage to learn without formal guidance. Yet, with the right habits and mindset, anyone can succeed as a self-taught developer. Here, we'll explore essential habits that can transform your self-learning experience into a rewarding journey, guiding you towards success. The first and most important habit is consistency. Learning to code is not something you can master in a day, a week, or even a month. It requires time and consistent effort. When you set aside regular time daily to practice coding, it becomes a natural part of your routine. Whether it's 30 minutes or a few hours, the key is showing up every day. Small, consistent progress adds up over time and leads to mastery. Consistency also helps you retain information better because frequent practice reinforces your skills. Next, embrace a problem-solving mindset. Coding is not just about writing code, it's about solving problems. When you encounter a challenge, resist the urge to give up. Instead, break it down into smaller parts and tackle each piece systematically. This approach not only helps you solve problems faster, but also strengthens your critical thinking skills. Remember, every error and bug you fix is a step closer to becoming a better developer. Another essential habit is setting clear goals. Without direction, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the vast amount of information available. Define what you want to achieve. Are you learning web development, mobile app creation, or data analysis? Break your goals into smaller, actionable tasks. For example, if your goal is to build a website, start by learning HTML, then move on to CSS, and finally JavaScript. Having clear goals keeps you focused and ensures you make meaningful progress. As a self-taught developer, cultivating curiosity is crucial. Technology evolves rapidly, and there is always something new to learn. Approach every learning opportunity with an open mind and a willingness to explore. Don't limit yourself to just tutorials or books. Experiment with projects, contribute to open source software, and dive into forums to learn from others. Curiosity keeps your learning journey exciting and ensures you stay ahead in a competitive field. One habit that sets successful developers apart is the ability to manage time effectively. Time management is essential, especially when balancing learning with other responsibilities. Create a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Prioritize tasks that align with your goals and eliminate distractions during study sessions. Tools like timers, to-do lists, and productivity apps can help you stay on track. Remember, quality matters more than quantity. A focused hour of learning is often more productive than several distracted hours. Another vital habit is building a strong foundation. When learning to code, it's tempting to jump into advanced topics or follow the latest trends. However, skipping the basics can leave gaps in your knowledge, making it harder to progress. Take the time to thoroughly understand core concepts like algorithms, data structures, and programming languages. A strong foundation not only makes learning easier, but also prepares you to adapt to new technologies in the future. As you learn, don't underestimate the power of hands-on practice. Passive learning, such as watching tutorials or reading articles, can only take you so far. Actively applying what you've learned through projects is where real growth happens. Start with small, manageable projects and gradually increase their complexity. Building projects helps you understand how different concepts come together and gives you a sense of accomplishment. It also serves as a portfolio that showcases your skills to potential employers or clients. Seek feedback regularly. As a self-taught developer, it's easy to fall into the trap of working in isolation. However, getting feedback from others can help you identify blind spots and improve your skills faster. Join online communities, participate in coding challenges, or connect with mentors who can guide you. Constructive criticism is invaluable in your learning process. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but it's a vital step towards growth. Another essential habit is staying updated with industry trends. Technology is an ever-changing field, and staying informed ensures your skills remain relevant. Follow tech blogs, watch webinars, and join discussion groups to stay in the loop. Networking with other developers can also provide insights into emerging tools and best practices. Staying current not only enhances your knowledge, but also increases your employability. While learning to code, cultivate patience and perseverance. The path of a self-taught developer is not always smooth. You'll encounter errors, bugs, and moments of frustration. Embrace these challenges as part of the process and view them as opportunities to learn. Celebrate small victories along the way, whether it's solving a complex problem or completing a project. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and persistence is what sets them apart. Effective self-teaching also involves practicing self-discipline. Without the structure of a classroom, it's easy to lose focus or procrastinate. Hold yourself accountable for your progress. Set deadlines for your goals and track your achievements. Self-discipline not only keeps you on course, but also builds a sense of responsibility that will serve you well in your career. Another habit that can accelerate your growth is learning how to learn. Understanding your learning style and adapting your approach accordingly can make a significant difference. For example, if you're a visual learner, focus on video tutorials or diagrams. If you learn better through practice, dive into coding exercises. Experiment with different methods to discover what works best for you. Developing effective learning strategies will save you time and make the process more enjoyable. Don't shy away from collaboration. While coding might seem like a solitary activity, teamwork is a vital skill in the tech industry. Collaborating with others exposes you to new perspectives and teaches you how to work in diverse environments. Pair programming, contributing to open source projects, or joining a coding bootcamp are excellent ways to develop this habit. Collaboration also helps you build a professional network, which can open doors to new opportunities. Another critical habit is learning to debug effectively. Debugging is an integral part of coding, and developing strong debugging skills will save you countless hours of frustration. When faced with an error, approach it systematically. Read error messages carefully, use debugging tools, and search for solutions online. Over time, you'll develop an intuition for identifying and fixing issues. Debugging not only improves your technical skills, but also enhances your problem-solving abilities. Make it a habit to document your learning journey. Keeping notes, creating cheat sheets, or maintaining a blog about your experiences can reinforce your understanding and serve as a valuable reference. Documentation also allows you to reflect on your progress and identify areas for improvement. Sharing your knowledge with others, whether through tutorials or posts, not only helps the community, but also solidifies your own learning. While technical skills are important, don't neglect soft skills. Communication, adaptability, and critical thinking are essential for any developer. Practice explaining complex concepts in simple terms, as this improves your understanding and makes you a better team member. Being adaptable ensures you can navigate the fast-paced tech industry, while critical thinking helps you approach problems logically. Developing these soft skills alongside technical expertise makes you a well-rounded professional. Lastly, prioritize self-care. Learning to code can be mentally demanding, and it's essential to take care of your well-being. Balance your studies with physical activity, proper nutrition, and adequate sleep. Taking breaks during study sessions can also improve focus and prevent burnout. Remember, a healthy mind and body are key to sustaining your learning journey. In conclusion, the habits of consistency, problem solving, goal setting, curiosity, time management, and building a strong foundation are the backbone of a self-taught developer's success. Combine these with hands-on practice, seeking feedback, staying updated, patience, self-discipline, and effective learning strategies, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals. Add collaboration, debugging skills, documentation, soft skills, and self-care to the mix, and you'll not only thrive as a developer, but also enjoy the journey. The path of a self-taught developer is challenging, but with these habits, it is also immensely rewarding. Keep learning, keep growing, and never stop believing in your ability to succeed.